What up, diggity dogs? I got 3 minutes to the opening candle. I'm running late. I've been running around all day. Looks like a good day. Was it BQX ran 128%? That was pretty awesome, right? Bam, bam. So another one. Why is it doing that? There we go. What up? Let's change this to longer term here. So pretty nice, pretty nice. So it's coming back into support, got way out of whack. I don't know how far OAX went, but it obviously went up a lot higher than 50%. You can see the average volume, 2,300% over its 30-day averages, 1,600%, 700%, 2,000%, blah, blah, blah. Things are heating up. Steam went up another 15%. Nicely done. Well over the previous highs and into previous lows, closing the day into previous lows. That's a good sign. Boom, boom, boom. Fuel, I was watching that one for a run. TNT, I mentioned that yesterday, had a little pop. It's all coming down all the way into support. Let's find that TNT. Looks like it popped and went all the way back in. Let's find the TNT. So, had a little pop. Remember I was telling you guys to watch that yesterday? A nice pop. Coming all the way back in, so wait for it. Let it come into support. Looks like I got 346, 350, right around there. So I'll put an order down in there and let it come and get you. So it should be changing over here. Uno momento. Wabai coming over, the 34 coming back in. AST, I like that one. So watch the weekly charts coming over the EMA 8 or coming across the 34 SMA. Those are the moves that I'm going to be watching for these bottom pops. So here comes a new candle. Let's look at Bitcoin while we're at it. Bitcoin is still tightly all wound up. It's ready to move. I bet you it moves when no one's watching. That's how they do it. It's a nice little stair step into support. Watch for a previous high break. Watch that neckline break. Could get interesting. Let's change this up just a tiny bit. Nice, opening up. Anybody out there? Anybody? These opening candles are the best to watch for. APPC. Had another good pop. Power had another good pop. A and B, here we go, A and B, right off the tops. Let's see if it'll break. Look at the daily. AMB, here we go. Here, AMB, first one coming out up to the gates. You got a daily previous high break. Very nice. Here we go. Coming across the 8 on the weekly, so we got resistance coming in at 28. Long way to go, long way to go. So watch for continuations until it hits resistance up there at the top. Nicely done. Let's see what else is running. Bitcoin almost breaking previous highs. CDT. Another one to watch. Looks like it's gonna run. Intraday, previous high breaks. LUN ran yesterday. Very nicely done. Watch for continuation on that one. Oop, didn't mean to delete it. Damn. DGD. This one always fantasy. I always look at this one and think, yeah, it's gonna run heavy. Reverse head and shoulders on the bottom. Intraday chart looks like it made a 2-bar reversal. Popped over the 8 into the 8. Now watch it. If the intraday breaks, watch for a weekly break. Across that bottom. Previous high breaks on the daily. Previous low, previous highs. Nice. AMB, 22% of the average volume already. VIB poked its head up. VIB made a run, came all the way back in. 2-bar reversal, 3-bar reversal. You can see the daily break came all the way back in. People are filling up in the Discord. Looks good. No one seems to want to start a conversation though. So it's cool. Everyone's joining though. Sooner or later there'll be too many people in there. Won't be able to handle it. LUN. Made a nice run yesterday as well. May need to settle in a little bit more, but looking good, people. Everything ran. Everything ran. A little Wabai. Wabai's good to watch as the weekly's coming across a 34. So this could be a nice pop once it gets going. So pop number 1, pop number 2, pop number 3, pop, pop, pop on the weekly chart. Could run for a while. LUN, LUN. A and B running into 4% now. MTH ran. Happy about that. I'm waiting for a bigger break though. You can see it break the previous highs, but I'm still waiting for a larger break across that 34 on the weekly. I love that OBV on the weekly. The long-term OBV. It's just, people have been steadily buying the hell out of this all the way down, then piled in on the bottom there, and I'm looking for a continuation now. Steam, such a charmer. I made a post about this last week. Tell your friends, Steam is going to break out. I think it's close to 40% up now. So first line of resistance is the balance line there, or even the meeting lines. So hopefully we can get into this next line, into the next previous lows, into the range, and hit that 34 on the way up. That's what I'm looking for. Nicely done, Steam. Oh, damn, Steam. Slow down. Bitcoin can move at any moment. No one's here, so I'm gonna eat my dinner. Got a burrito. Watch the sky from the bottom. Could be like that TNT yesterday. Nice J curve on the weekly. So it's a long-term J curve. I got higher lows into resistance, popped over resistance, skating above support. Watch for intraday previous high breaks on Sky. It could be sky's the limit on that. Bye-bye. Nice. Come on, Bitcoin, I'm waiting on you. How much tighter do you need to make that little squeeze? Watch for continuation on LUN. Oh, gas. Oh, gas, gas, gas. A little flat bottom break. Reverse head and shoulders on the daily. It looks like it wants to go. I got an alert at that little dotted line, so let's see if my alert goes off. Gas looks good. LUN continuation, WABI continuation. Gas is going to break. Signals. Looking for a continuation on the daily. It's likely to happen. CDT continuation likely to happen. Sky, watch for a breakout from the bottom. LRC, watch for continuation into the weekly 34. SNM. Same, continuation. Cloak had a good run, came all the way back in, so watch for getting above previous highs for support. VIB, you can see on the daily, broke out, came all the way back in. AMB looks good for a breakout from the bottom. Lots of good stuff going on. Lots of money to be had off these bottoms. Let them break out, leave a little piece behind, let it grow. What happened to Steam? Looks like a intraday comeback. Not sure about this one yet. You got a reverse head and shoulders on the intraday. It's coming off the 13. Maybe it'll turn around here. You got a reverse head and shoulders off the intraday though. A lot of reverse head and shoulders going on. There's a nice example of a falling star into support, if that holds. See that? It's only because it's at a bottom. If that happened at a top, then it would be a come on down. That's about it. Friday night, no one wants to talk to me, I guess. All alone. Spend my Friday night trading Binance coins all alone. It's not so bad. Join me on Discord, peeps. Discord. few people have joined. NAV, look at that nice little pattern coming out of the bottom there. Could be a nice pop across the 34 on the weekly. Pattern break on the daily. Watch for continuation as the falling star signifies a push into resistance back into support. Watch for a breakout. NAV, that looks good. I like that. Waiting on Bitcoin, waiting on Bitcoin. Let's go, let's go. I think that's about it. I mean, I think I mentioned all the ones that opened up are some good volume. AMB had a good start, 40% of the average volume already. Wabai already has 46%. Wabai already ran though. Steam already has close to 40% of the average volume. It's pretty good open. Pretty good open. And my MTH still coming down into support after the run. So I guess one more try. Look at POE, right over resistance back in the support. Nice previous high break coming on the weekly. Nice. Lots to watch. I'm going to keep it busy. I'm going to turn this off and do a weekly weekly review. So I'll be back about 15 minutes. Weekly review for the equities, futures, and gold, silver miners. But thanks for everybody's support. I know that maybe you're not with me on live, but a lot of people are getting tuned in later on. So let me know what's going on out there. Leave a comment. I'll see ya.